What's up guys, your boy Big A here coming at you. So I'm here at this Walmart and it looks like somebody beat me to these Hot Wheels, so I'm not even going to bother with that. Plus these are all case, so I already have all the highlights of these anyways, so I'm not even going to bother going through those. Looks like they're getting some old 5-packs. There's some more up there. They're all the same, nothing new. There's that Fast and Furious one, that new one. I already have it, so not even gonna bother. Let me see. Still waiting for that new exotics ones. That's the only one I'm looking forward to. Let me see. Yeah, this is an old one. Let's take a look at a few. See if there's any new cars in here. And nope, no new cars. All the same, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same deal over here. Over here they have some track stars. Same one. Here they have the big rigs. Oh, check this one out, guys. This one's pretty cool. I don't collect them, but this one's pretty cool. They have nothing new on these Matchbox, a bunch of peg warmers. So, another one. Here's another super rig. There's this one here. Nothing. And nothing new on these super fast Matchbox. A bunch of peg warmers. They have this Matchbox working rigs. It's only one though. These are new. They're the Adventure Force. Never seen these around, but they look pretty cheap, so I have more here. This is a 20-pack. Not interested. Over here they have some Hot Wheels monster trucks. Look pretty cool, but I don't collect them. So they have this one here. They have that one right there. They have this one here. They have that one over there. Let's see what else they have. Well, that's the same one as this one. And they have this one, the Monster Mutt. So let's put these back. Check this out, guys. These are new. Looks like they're exclusive to Walmart. Hot Wheels monster trucks. Very cool. And we have these 2-packs over here. This one's pretty cool. I like the truck here. It's pretty cool. I wish they had it on a single pack. I'm still waiting for it. I haven't seen it. I'm sure it's been out before. I just haven't seen it. And over here they have a bunch of Mario Kart castings that not very many people care about. So what do we have over here? Oh, look what we found, guys. Pretty cool. Finally found these, guys. Been looking for this one for quite some time, so I finally found it. So definitely gonna pick this one up. There are 4 other sets up there. Gonna leave those there for somebody else. Let's take a look at these Jada Toys castings. We have this McLaren. We have Ford Escort, another Ford Escort. Okay, so they have this Power Rangers one. They have the Joker. Check this one out, guys. Pretty cool. My son Christian is a huge fan of the Joker, so I might take this one for him. And they have the Time Machine, Back in the Future. And they have this one. This one's pretty cool. Chevy Chevelle. Pick that one up as well. Been passing up on it for quite some time, so I think I'm gonna pick it up. Here's Kit, Knight Rider. There's two others right there. And let's see what they have up here. Nothing new. I believe I picked up like 2 sets of these trucks. I don't need any more. We'll leave them there for somebody else. This I already have. This one I don't have, but I really don't like it, so I'll leave it here for somebody else. And over here they have some Tomica. Yeah, there's something about these castings that don't catch my eye, so I'm gonna leave them here for somebody else. Let's see over here. Okay, so over here we have these cool Jada Toys Just trucks. Very cool. This is a Silverado. Very nice. Alright, so over here we have this cool 1973 Ford Bronco. Definitely going to take this one. Love the color. Love the tamper work on this one. Pretty cool. Definitely going to take that one. We have this 1958 Chevy Apache Stepside. So I think I'm going to take this one as well. This one is really cool. Let's see what they have down here. They have the 2014 Jeep Wrangler, 1973 Ford Bronco, a 2020 Nissan Titan. Not bad. They have another 2014 Jeep Wrangler, and somebody just took that, guys. Unbelievable. Freaking people, man. I'm telling you, man, if you guys can't afford this hobby, do not get into it, man. You guys really make us look bad. All right, let's see what they have over here. The tractors. This is pretty much it, guys. So just to recap, I'm gonna take this awesome 1958 Chevy Apache Stepside. I'm taking this awesome 1973 Ford Bronco. I'm taking the Chevelle from Fast and Furious, the Joker Corvette Stingray for my son Christian, and I'm taking this awesome Hot Wheels Ford diorama set. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.